Hi, my name is Patrick Giardini and I'm the owner of American Gas Lamp Works. Welcome to 1299 4th Avenue, New Kensington, Pennsylvania, the brand new home of our wonderful company. We wanted to take you on a brief tour of the inside and show you our brand new place, and if you ever want to come by for a tour, just reach out. So this is it, 20,000 square foot of lamp making goodness. We just moved in about a couple months ago and we're getting ramped up pretty quickly. Luckily we've had a lot of orders coming in and now we can move even more efficiently through our process to get our lamps out the door even faster. We hope this makes us a more quality experience for all those involved and a more quality product for our clients. We're going to take you on a brief tour of everything behind me and show you all the processes that go into making our high quality lamps.
All of our cast aluminum lamps are made in-house from scratch using domestically sourced materials. From castings to hand-blown glass to domestically sourced electronics, we bring all of our products in, punch, press, drill, and tap, everything on site, and then move everything over to our in-house welding station, where George assembles every lamp by hand. All of our frames, posts, and materials are then cleaned and prepped for entry into our new state-of-the-art 1,700 square foot powder coating oven. This process assures the longest lifespan for the coated materials that we send out into the field, keeping your light burning bright and your home beautiful for years to come. Entering the assembly phase post-powder coat, all of our lights are filled with their chosen illumination options. Now let's meet the team.
Well, that's it. We hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please reach out at any time. We're happy to help, and we want to talk. Have a great day.